Well, good morning, folks. This is the Gray Eagle in Florida again. Monday, your favorite day of the week, August 13, 2012. All right, we got a rogue wave report here. It looks like rogue waves have taken it to the next level, and this is from the National Data Buoy Center. It's part of the NOAA website. It's a government website. Government cannot copyright material, so there's nothing, no copyright infringement here. It's a government website. Okay, when I say they have taken it to the next level, I mean the rogue waves have now gone up to over 300 foot. My question is, how high can these waves go? Alright, here's the first one. It's at location is 14.0 and minus 23.1. Now if these waves, these rogue waves, these 300 plus foot waves get into the shipping lanes, the ships are in deep trouble. Alright, this rogue wave is 323.5 feet. There's about 10 of them right now at the on this website. Right underneath that one, at 49.9 and minus 4.5, is another 323.8 foot wave. So let's all hope they these waves don't get into the shipping lanes. Okay, the next two are at 63.7 and minus 68.4 and 37.3 and minus 13.4. Those are both 323.5 foot. Now, keep in mind that this is just the past 12 hours. This is not all 24 hours of a particular day. This is just 12 hours. That's all they can show. That's about a rogue wave per hour. Alright, scrolling down to the next one. There we go, at 63.7 and minus 68.4. Now this is your GPS coordinates. There's a 321.5 foot wave out there, and then at minus 1.1 and minus 30.5, there's one 322 foot wave. Now over the weekend, Sunday I believe it was, there was 6 at about between 310 and 313 feet. So even today they've stepped up their the size of their rogue waves about 10 foot. Now the Bible says the sea and the waves will be roaring. That's Luke 21:25. That's what we have going on right here, right now. The birth pangs are obviously getting closer and closer together, and the next big move of God is just about to happen, I believe, in the next, I don't know, 20 to 90 days maybe. Whatever that move of God is, I have no idea. What date it comes on, I don't know. I don't set dates for anything. I just say that it's near. Alright, here we go at 1.8. That's minus 1.8 and minus 30.8. We have a 319.5 foot wave. And we scroll down a bit further. At 63.7 and minus 68.4, we have a 319.2 foot wave. And then again at 46.5 and minus 40 1.1, we have a 319.5 foot wave. I think there's a couple more on here. We shall report. And notice we're not even reporting the 60, 70, 80 footers either. We're just going with 100 foot and above. Right now we're dealing with nothing but 300 foot and bigger. Yep, here we go at 63.7. And we do the latitude first. The longitude is after that, in case you want to look it up on your GPS coordinates, Google Earth. Just type those coordinates into Google Earth and it'll show you exactly where it's at. 63.7 and minus 68.4 is the next wave. It's 317 and 3.3 tall. Now, I've been out on the water in a boat. I had a big deep V boat, 18 foot. And I went out on Tampa Bay one time, and the weather seemed calm until I got there out on the water. We hit a wave. I was standing up at the steering wheel and the wheel on my boat, and we hit a wave. The wave, I was standing up, and the wave was at least 3 foot taller than me. That's a 9 foot wave, and boy, I tell you what, you need to change your underwear when you out there like I was and hit it. We came back on in. We survived it. The boat survived it. It was like I said, it was a deep V hull, and I hit it head on. Like I knew that that's the only way to survive it. If I'd have hit it sideways, it'd have probably knocked us over, and we might have drowned. But so I know just a 9 foot wave hitting us out there on Tampa Bay, that scares the living daylights out of you. Okay, but this one here, like I said, is 63.7. and minus 68.4, and it's 317.3 feet tall. So that's your rogue wave report for today, folks. Let me check one more time. Okay. So that's it for today. I think there was about 8 or 9 or so of them out there, maybe 10. I didn't count them, but doesn't matter. You get the idea. Luke 21:25, the sea and the waves roaring, and we can see it right before our very eyes. Isn't it amazing how that Christ said that the sea and waves roaring, and we could watch for these things happening? And without this internet and without this website technology and the buoys out there to detect these waves, we'd never know about it. But Jesus said we would be in the end times able to see him. Beats all I've ever seen anyway. And how much higher these waves can go, I have no idea. Can they go 500 to 1,000 feet? Well, we'll see in time, possibly, if we live through all this, or if we don't get raptured out of here before. So there you go, folks. The eagle is out. If you want to trust Jesus, today is the day to do it. Just look in the description box below where it says see more, and you can read how to be saved. You can read the Romans Road to Heaven, and then you can pray the sinner's prayer. Now, if you do that, I want to know about it so I can pray for you. If you don't want me to message you back, that's fine. Just say so in the message that you got saved, but you don't want to hear back from me, and I'll just pray for you. So watch for a prophecy report later on, maybe today or tomorrow. But in the meantime, if you want to avoid being drowned by a rogue wave, pray to Jesus and get saved. The eagle is out, but I'll be back. The good Lord be willing.